If you're thinking of getting this USB-C rechargeable mini flashlight, then this is my honest review. And I've had this for over 2 years now, and it's super reliable, super bright. It never lets me down. And so yeah, there's a few things I like about this. The first one, as you can see, is it's really, really small. Like if I show you compared to my hand, it's like the size of part of a finger, maybe. Super lightweight. It clips onto whatever you want it to clip onto. And it's super, super bright. It's like an LED with an amplification thing, like a mirror or a magnifying glass to amplify the light. And it's the brightest flashlight, especially for this size. It's like so bright, this thing. The other thing I like about it is that it's rechargeable with with USB-C here. Or maybe that is micro USB. Yeah, micro USB. So you can recharge this and use it as long as you want. You don't have to worry about replacing those tiny little watch batteries that you have in most of these flashlights this size. It's super lightweight, has different settings. It has like a flashing setting and continuous beam, different strengths of light. So you can control like how bright you want it to shine. And it has this little thing here that says EDC. Let me just show you that. EDC stands for everyday carry, which means it's designed to be used every day as part of your kit. Whether you have a survival kit, a camping kit, or just as part of your, attach it to your keyring. It has a little attachment at the top here where you can attach it to your keys. So if you're looking for just a reliable, durable flashlight that is rechargeable and you can just take it around with you every day, you can use it for camping and it's tiny, then I highly recommend this USB rechargeable flashlight.